Hello everyone, welcome to Thumbnail Blaster. So you're probably thinking, how can I create awesome thumbnails? I don't have Canva experience, I don't have experience in Photoshop or GIMP, and let's face it, creating attractive thumbnails is a long process. Now maybe you can outsource it to somebody, but that does get costly after a while. Plus, maybe you want to make sure that the thumbnail is to your liking before you post it. And that can be a difficulty when outsourcing. So here, we're solving all your problems with Thumbnail Blaster. Why? Because you can create attention-grabbing thumbnails in just 3 clicks with the world's only AI thumbnail creation app. You can do this for YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, or any video platform out there that exists. It's not just limited to YouTube. Check out these awesome thumbnails right here. It's going to grab attention. So this comes over with 30 thumbnail templates, and it has different niches. So it's not just limited to one niche. And if you outsource, sometimes people are just focusing on one niche. It's tough for them to pivot from, say, fitness to crypto to make money online. Here you just simply select a template for what you want. So if you're into weight loss, if you're into business, if you're to make money online, travel, vlogs, pets, reviews, anything, real estate makeup, you are good to go. So how do you do it? 3 steps. Click, pick your template, you edit it up. And you can see the editor here in action, and then you just go ahead and customize it, make it look awesome. You don't have to install anything. It's all cloud-based, and you don't need any technical skill. A lot of issues with other programs is you need some design skills, or you need to be a designer or have some kind of design background. Here, you do not. Literally, you just drag and drop anything, you resize it, you change text, fonts, you add new elements. After you just drag and drop, you're in total control. Everything's easy, just point and click, boom, boom, boom. And then you can create thumbnails for any style of video. It's not in one resolution. You have 16:9, 4:5, and 4:4. Or literally, if you don't like any of those sizes, you can pick any size you want. Then you just simply go ahead, you publish, you get views on your new jaw-dropping and attention-grabbing thumbnail, and click-through rate is very, very dependent on having a good thumbnail. What's the first thing you notice on YouTube? Why do you click on YouTube videos? Well, is it the description, title, or tags? No, those might help in search results, but ultimately, you want a good-looking thumbnail. As you can see here, whoa, how to really improve your basketball skills. That's catching my eye. That's going to catch other people's eye, and you can create thumbnails just like that for them to see. So with that, all you have to do is simply publish it, upload it to YouTube, get views, and this will update your existing video with a new AI created thumbnail. Or you can just simply download as a JPEG and use it, upload it to YouTube, Twitter, whatever you want to do. And you can check out some of the awesome thumbnails like we have here. YouTube views experiment. Best dog training guides. These are very, very professional and they're very cool. I like the game review right here, VR headset, Amazon product review, cat vs. dog, gaming, 10 foods you should never eat, best tourist places in the world, top Spanish guides, or you can just put your text here. This dude is probably thinking like, what? They're going to click on me? And the best part is no design skills. You don't have to pull up Photoshop. You don't have to be an expert in any of that stuff at all. In fact, if you're able to point and click, literally, you just simply point, drag, and click. Oh, I want this here, I want this text here, and then I want to bring this over here. Then you can create amazing thumbnails. People think you're an amazing designer. They'll say, wow, how are you creating such amazing thumbnails? You must be an expert at design. But no, you're simply clicking and dragging using this tool. And they're going to convert like mad. So don't use complicated, expensive design tools. Just create thumbnails like a pro. You don't have to outsource anything, and you don't have to come up with complex designs and figure it out. Why is it so nice? It's easy to use. You have automatic creation. If you can drag and drop, you can utilize it. You get 30 templates that are ready to go for you, and all the design elements that you can utilize on that templates, all the text, colors, and everything else. And plus, you're not limited to size. Some platforms you're limited to size, especially if you create something in a program like Photoshop or something else and you set the size. It can be a little bit difficult if you just want to change the size around, or in other places. Now you can change it to any size, and it's never been done before. So now you can also split test two different thumbnails, see how they work. In addition to that, you can put one thumbnail against the other, A and B, and see which one converts better as well. So that's a great way to blow up your videos with a simple and easy to use thumbnail builder that's really going to help you stand out. By using Thumbnail Blaster, you're going to be one step ahead of the competition and one step ahead of everybody on YouTube in your niche who's just posting average thumbnails. This is a great way to go to get attention and ultimately conversions.